In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert a box and whisker chart in PowerPoint. Select the slide where you want to add the chart, then go to the Insert tab and click Chart. In the Insert Chart window, choose Statistical, select Box and Whisker, and click OK. An Excel-style spreadsheet will open automatically. Replace the sample data with your own values. Once you have entered your data, close the spreadsheet window. The box and whisker chart on your slide will update automatically. To customize the chart, click on it and use the Chart Design tab to change colors, styles, or add chart elements. You can also right-click the chart and select Format Data Series to adjust options such as mean markers, outlier points, inner points, and quartile calculation methods. If box and whisker is not available in your version of PowerPoint, create the chart in Excel first, then copy and paste it into your presentation. To summarize, insert a box and whisker chart, enter your data, close the spreadsheet to update the chart, and use the Chart Design and Format Data Series options to customize its appearance and settings. Once your chart looks the way you want, it is ready to use in your presentation. Thank you for watching the video.